In this video, I'm going to show you how to model one of the parts in this activity 5.5. In particular, I'll show you how to model the part on page 10. And when you're done, your drawing should look like this. Start out by going to New Part and a new sketch on the XY plane. Turn on construction geometry and project the XZ plane and the YZ plane. Turn off construction geometry. Select your line tool and create a line starting at the origin. Go up and type in 2.5, tab, enter. Go across and type in 0.5, tab, and enter. Go down, across, 0.5, tab, enter. Down and then across to the first line you created. Hit escape. Select dimension. Create a dimension from the x-axis to here and enter 1. A dimension from here to here. That's 0.375. Select your trim tool and trim this section of the line here. Select Finish Sketch. Select Revolve. Select this axis and select OK. Go to View, Visual Style, and turn on Shaded with Edges. Select a new sketch on this surface. Turn on construction geometry and project this face. Also project, like you did earlier, project the XZ plane and the XY plane. Turn off construction. Select a centered rectangle. Select this point here. Enter 0.125 and enter. Choose dimension and dimension from here to here and make that 0.0625. Finish your sketch. And extrude, and you're going to remove material and select this profile. I'm going to go through all. Let's start a new sketch on this face. Once again, I'm going to turn on construction and I'm going to project geometry. I'm going to project this face here and once again these two axes. Turn off construction. I'm going to place a point right about there and choose dimension. I'm going to dimension from this x-axis up to the point. That's 1.65. I'm going to create a circular pattern. I'm going to choose my geometry. I'm going to choose the point I just created, and then I'm going to choose the center and choose that center, and I'm going to have a total of 10 points. Enter 10. OK. Finish your sketch. Go to my hole tool, and it's the tool has selected the 10 points I created. Notice I'm going to put 10 holes. I'm going to make the diameter 0.5. I'm going to go through all. I'm going to change the material to aluminum 6061. I want this to be my front face. Come up here to your context menu and select Set Current View as Front. Now notice this is my front view. I'm going to save my part. I'm going to create a new drawing. I'm going to place my base view and project a side view and an ISO view. Select OK. I'm going to select this view and I'm going to turn on shaded. Select OK. Select this view. I'm going to turn on hidden line. Select OK. I'm going to select Annotate and choose my center mark tool and point to this line, and then point to each of these circles. I'm going to choose this tool. It's called the centered pattern. It's asking me to select the center of the pattern, and I'm going to select this point here. And then it's asking me to select a location. I'm going to select here and then here, and I'm just going to work my way around and select this last hole here. And right mouse button and create. I'm going to use this tool here, a centerline bisector. I'm going to select this midpoint here and this midpoint here. I'm going to hit escape, grab the line and pull these grips across, make the line a bit longer. I'm going to go ahead and dimension the drawing. I'm going to select this line and this line. Enter that angle. Point to this hole. Point to this center line. Right mouse button and dimension type, choose diameter. Point to the outer circle. Point to this circle. And then point to this inner circle. Right mouse button and choose diameter. Choose this edge here. Place your dimension and choose the overall depth. Place the dimension. Hit escape to get out of the dimension tool and move some of these dimensions around. Double click on this dimension. Delete that. That was a typo. And then enter capital X space 10 to designate that there would be 10 of these angles, 10 holes, and going around the circle there'd be 10 angles. I'm going to select this dimension and do the same. There's 10 holes. Capital X space 10. Select OK. I'm going to create a new view, a detail view. And place it straight up about right there. Hit escape twice, and I'm going to select that view and make it a bit larger. Let's make it 4:1. Then choose my dimension, annotate and dimension, and select this line here. And from here to this point here, hit escape. I'm going to select iProperties and Summary and change the title. Change the title to 5.5 Circular Pattern and change this, the author, to your name, and select OK. Go to File, Export to PDF, and submit your PDF drawing to Project Lead the Way to complete your assignment.